If you're a gun owner, well, you may have already heard that there's a shortage on ammunition being reported around the country. But that was not necessarily the case at the Bullet Hole on Main Street today. Employees there say they're stocked up, but the shortage nationwide is real. And the owner of the Bullet Hole says gun owners have no one to blame but themselves.
There's been a shortage of available ammo coming from manufacturers, generally based on the fact that people are buying up more than they need because they're afraid of shortages, so they're creating their own shortage. And manufacturers are working 24 hours around the clock and just can't get it out fast enough.
Misantone also says there has been an increase in the cost of ammunition, which he blames on the manufacturers and a new federal tax.